Today we're going to review how to register your child for the Entry to School program. First, you're going to access the Toronto Autism Services page. Once you're brought to their homepage, you're going to go to the top and select Services. This will show you a drop-down menu where you're going to go down to the Entry to School program. Once on the Entry to School program page, you're going to scroll down and select the Registry Inquiry button. Then you'll proceed to the Online option. This will pop up a map at the bottom of the page, and in the search bar, you're going to put in your postal code. This will provide you with centers around your home address. Once you select a location, you will select the Registry Inquiry button. This will take you to the next page. At the bottom, you're going to select the Next button. This will take you to the attendees form. You're going to fill out all the relevant information, and once that's complete, you're going to scroll to the bottom and hit Submit. Once you've submitted this form, you can expect a call from an intake coordinator in about 1 to 3 business days. I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you in our program.